good.
Can I do your makeup?
I'm gonna be in a video soon.
I already did a little bit of his makeup earlier.
I'm gonna do some different content.
Yeah, just take the pizza directly onto the rack. Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Alright, you're done.
You want me to turn the TV off?
No. I have horror movies playing in the background. That's my thing.
That's the thing.
Cabin in the Woods back there.
Cabin in the Woods. That's a good one.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
I'm going to do the Saint-Sinner palette by Katvond. And I'm going to do a neutral eye look with it. So, yeah, it's a good time. So I'm going to start with Baptism. It's the most, it's the best transition color that is in this palette. So I'm going to only do it from this palette. Or I'm going to try to only use it from this palette. I've already done the rest of my face, my contour, blush, everything, my brows. So I'm going to take that light shade and go all over the eyelid. I've already primed it with the NYX color corrector that I always use. Always, as in like the last 2 weeks. Alright, so now that I have that whole color on my lid, I'm going to do Sacred Heart. It's a little shimmery, but I think it's not too shimmery. I can probably use it as a transition shade. So I'm going to do that. A little bit lower. That's coming out pretty matte. That's good. I think I would make it a little bit deeper. Look at my gray hair. I'm going to bring it all the way in here. Because I don't think I'm going to do a cut crease today. I'm going to try to make it really easy because just hanging out with a baby today. Okay. Then I'm going to take a Sanctuary. It's still got a little bit of flake in it, but that's okay. It's not super matte, but it's one of the only neutral colors in there. Just going to concentrate it on the outwards V there. I just have to show you guys. Look at my princess. Hi, Key. Aww. Key. Alright, enough of that. Alright, I'm going to get a little bit more of the Sacred Heart shadow and just kind of put it back on top there because it kind of got lost with that Sanctuary shade. So I'm going to clean that bad boy off. Oh god. There she is. Just enough for it to peek over the top. Okay. So that looks really neutral, but anybody that knows me knows I really don't do neutral very well. So I'm going to do the crucifix color, that dark brown, and just put it right in the corners there just to make it more dramatic, like me. That smells really good. We're supposed to be eating keto, but we're definitely making pizza and wings right now. Calories don't count on Sunday, right? Or carbs. Carbs don't count. Alright, so there's all that. Oh, now I gotta figure out what I want to put on my top lid. I think I'm gonna do cathedral all over the middle part of my lid, and then heaven right on the corner. So we'll see how that turns out. And I'm going to use my little flat packing brush. I got this at Family Dollar for $1. I'm gonna use my MAC Fix Plus and just spray that. I'm gonna see if my finger works better for that. Alright. Now I'm gonna take Heaven, that silver color, and put it on the corner and blend it in with that cathedral shade. I don't want to see up my nose. I'm going to take this cleaned off Wet n Wild brush and just kind of blend all those edges together. A little bit of fallout. Sweep that in. Add some more highlighter because it still has highlighter on it. So I'm going to take, I'm going to take Worship, this purple color right here, and do my lower lash line with that. Alright, so I got the purple on there. I think I'm going to just blend in a little bit of that crucifix just to make it a little bit darker, a little bit smokier, because that's what I do. Everything ends up being smoky. Perfect. So I'm going to do my eyeliner and lashes off camera, but I'm going to show you what I use for my liner. It's a Sephora 12-hour long wear. I use this for my waterline. And then I'll put everything away. Good job, Julia. Use the Almay. This is the pen eyeliner in 208 black. It was really well for the wings. It dries really quick and it dries matte, which I love. And then I've been using this Maybelline Total Temptation mascara, and I think it has coconut oil in it. It smells really good. So I'll be right back. Just a little baby wing today. It smells so good. Don't let it touch the top of your lid. Always do 2 coats. Okay, so I know I said I'm only going to do the Katvond palette for this eye look, but this doesn't really count because it's highlighter. I'm going to use my carlibybel palette by BH Cosmetics. And I'm going to take that super white highlighter. I always use it for the inner corner and like my brow bone because it's super bright and it reflects off everything and everybody can see it. So just take my finger. Oh, it's so pretty. I have all these other things here, but it's so pretty. Just take it on my finger. See the difference between these two? It just makes it look so much brighter. I'm just going to do it on one side so you can kind of see. See, with highlighter, without. With, without. So much better. I'm so extra. And then I'm going to show this, my mom got me this. It's a Powder Puff Lippy from NYX, and it has, it's like a weird applicator, but it's super soft and it really does feel like powder. I don't normally wear lips, but if I do, it's like the exact same shade as my actual lip, so it's not really adventurous, but I like it a lot. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Maybe tomorrow, if you guys want, I'll do a like a weird look, like something crazy, like maybe use these yellows and greens, and I really want to use that blue one. Let me know if you'd watch it. Thanks, guys.